Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In the last video, we discussed how to set up MySQL workbench. In this video, we discuss practical implementation of queries. Let's first create our first database. I think you all know syntax for creating database. Create database name. One thing I want to tell, in the SQL, the case sensitive doesn't matter. You can write in lowercase or uppercase. It doesn't matter. Now we just wrote create database college. To run this, select this line, then click on run. It shows create database college created. Then next I use this created database. Use college. Next run, right mark. Next. Next now we create table. To create table, create table name. You can give any name for table name. Student ID data type int primary key. Next name varchar 50. Next age int not null. Next select all this, run. Next you want to insert some data to the table. To insert data, insert into student id name age values. Id 101. Name, string is always in double quote. Name Kumar. Age 21. Next second data 102. Name Robert. Age 35. Next 103. Name John. Age 67. Then run this, select and run this. Selected. Then now next we want to fetch the data. To fetch the data, select all from table name student. Next select all from student, run this. Yeah, you can see table is created. ID name age 101 Kumar 21, 102 Robert, 103 John. Now let's add more data. For that 104 John, Ramesh, 58, 105, Suresh 78. Then we can add one more column like marks. Marks int not null. Run this. It's showing error. Wait, I will clarify this. It's showing error. Table student already exists. Oh, sorry. To add new data to table, we first delete existing database. For that, drop database college. Run this. Yeah, deleted. Then now we can run. Yeah, it successfully run. Next, you add data to table. Marks 90, 67, 88, 45, 97. Then run this. Yeah, successful. Then fetch the data. Yeah, you can see marks column is added. 90, 67, 88, 45, 97. Now we add some clauses to this table. Select star from student where marks greater than 89. Run this. You can see the marks which are greater than 89. Kumar Suresh 1997. Then also and id equal to 105. Run this. Yeah, you can see only one output. id 105, marks greater than 97. Add operator and operator. Next, we can add some more extra clauses. Marks plus plus 7 greater than 90. Then and id equal to 103 and run this. Yeah, you can see 103 John 67, marks 88. Then we use between operator. Where marks between between 80 and 90. Then run this. Yeah, you can see from marks 80 to 90, Kumar and John. Next, now we can implement order by clause. Delete this. Where mark? It's okay. Then order by marks. Then run this. You can see order by run 88, 99 in ascending order. You can also do this in for descending order. For descending, already told DESE. Then run this. You can see 90 and 88. Next, for ID in descending order, ID. Run this. You can this 103, 101, or delete this. Then run 105, 104, 103, 102, 101 in descending order. Next, use having clause. Select all from student having maximum marks. Which greater than 60. Run this. Error. Aggregated query group by clause. Sorry, having marks greater than 60. Run. Yes, you can see 90, 67, 88, 97. Then now check create database. If not exists, then create. You can use same name, for example college, then run. Yeah, create database if not exist college. It is already created, that's why it's not taken. Then you give different name like company, then create. Yeah, database is successfully created. Then you can also check drop database if exist. If exist, then only delete, which means give different name like student. Let's see. Warning, student database is not found, that's why it isn't deleted. Then you check for company, then select and run. Yeah, successfully deleted. Then now check for show databases. Run this. Yeah, these are the databases which was I already created: business, college, Ramaji, Telesco, Word, college, like that. Then now check for show tables. Run this. Yeah, you can see student table. Our table name is student, it's showing student table. Okay. In the next video, we discuss some more practical implementation. Thank you for watching, guys.